guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing a speed build. I know that's not that normal, but I just wanted to try it out. I'm gonna be doing like a bamboo-ish, I don't know, aesthetic type house in the tiny home. So yeah, let's get started.
Mask time. Whoa, a worm? Why are you putting a worm in this? Oh my god, it's gonna go on my face.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing. Please stay awake for me.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. I spent a lot of money on this, like probably around all my money, which was like a 1,800 something. But I'm sorry if I sound weird, because I just got my expander in because I have a crossbite, and I have to wear it for like until next January. So yeah, bye.